Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Grateful gang, gang, gang. If you like budgeting videos as well as following me on my journey to first-time home ownership, I would suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is free 99. And you know, if it's free, it's for me, and it should be for you too as well. If you watch the video and you like it, don't forget to give it English. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as well as if you are already subscribed and not getting my video notifications, just check the notifications, put it on and off, because you know YouTube's been doing that to me lately as well. All right, let's get into this video today, which is our paycheck number 3 for February has hit. We cleared it up yesterday and it's hit again this morning, so let's try and get this done early, okay? Let's get to week 3. So week 3, let's go into our account. And as you guys know, yesterday we went and zeroed out this budget and moved this money to the house. And now we've got our money here, $573.89. So that is what we're working with. Income is $500. I really need to freeze this pane, y'all, like so I can see it. Someone walked me through this one time. And I don't want to waste y'all time doing it. Hold on, let me see if I can figure it out real quick. All right, so I want to show you because I figured it out. It was just highlight the column you want to freeze. I don't think it lets you do anything if there's like a merge cell, so that might be a problem. We'll see. Format, no, it's under view, freeze, and then you put column. It could be 1 and 2. I guess column 1. Yeah, sometimes when there's merged, like February is merged, it won't let you, unfortunately. Let me see if I can unmerge it and then do it. I don't want this to be a thing right now, okay? We're not gonna be here all day. We got things to do. Did it do it? Did it do it? Now our February is off, but at least when we move left and right, we can still see what columns we're in. Okay, that's pretty much what I wanted to do. So let go. We're on roll 3, paycheck number 3. All right, we're putting in our income total, which is what I already forgot when I'm playing with columns, y'all. Sorry. $573.89, but it's a learning experience for us all. $573.89 is our total income. We're still just giving $10 and no bill, no bill. We're now paying bills due between the 16th or the 17th to the 23rd. So the parents' house bill, it is going to be $300. I should have froze the other column too, so I could have seen the amount. I'll do that on my own, $315. So what I'm going to do here is put $315, and I'm going to move these $158 back from our hold our horses, because the last week we moved this over to hold your horses. Now we got to put it back so we have enough money to go ahead and pay it. Okay, we're going to put $25 in the house emergency fund. I'm trying something different this time, like clearing all our stuff. And then, so I'll mark this as pink because it still would need to be paid. I need to call and pay it. The 17th is Kinemaster. I know that's $4. Let me see if I can. I wonder if it'll let me do that. I don't want to fight with it. I don't want to fight with it. Never mind. Okay, and then why though does it look like that? Okay, $4. Then we have the student loan for $60 that is also due. And then Capital One, nothing right now. HP Intakes the 25th. So that will be next paycheck. So both of these I have to pay or they're automatic. So we'll mark them as pink. All right. Cash envelopes will be $100. Although we'll see what's left because I want to pick up a few things again for toiletries. So I wanted to take out an additional 20 if we have 20 left. We know that our paycheck was $573.89, so we're going to put $389 over into the zero out challenge. Sinking funds, we get 50 automatic, which will take out on their own automatically on Friday. Why does that seem so dark? That looks too peach. I don't know, whatever. We'll leave it like that. This rest of the colors. Okay, and we'll figure out house savings when we're done. Okay, so let's go back into our bank and move a lot of these things that we just talked about. Time for my favorite part, which is our transfers. So we're going to transfer from everything from the major keys except the bill money. We're going to do that backwards. So we're going to transfer out into, where are we holding that right now? Our $10 to giving. I think that's sitting in, yeah, I never made a thing. So that's sitting in hold your horses. So we're putting $10. And that's for our giving project. And transfer, success. Then we have to transfer our $389 to our zero out challenge. Same day. I like to leave my notes because when I'm going back, especially with like in my not my home, in like my hold your horse account, there's so many different things going in there right now that I like to leave myself notes, success about what is actually going on in there. And you'll hear my phone constantly vibrating because the money is being transferred. Then we also wanted to transfer the other way, actually from a hold your horses over back to my major keys, the $158. So we would have enough to pay the cable bill, the parents' house bill for $315. Just parents' house bill, transfer, that'll come back over. So we'll get more money. Success. Actually, so we need to go back over here and add that we had a transfer of $158 so that our money can go back up so it will match and we don't end up with a zero, like a credit needed down here because that would be bad. We need to move our $25 for our house emergency fund. And I think that is our last transfer until we figure out the house. House emergency fund gets $25. Success. All right. Excuse me, I'm telling you, it's the morning every time I'm talking all day. It's because I think I talk the most on videos. All right, so our $10 was moved, $315 I need to call and pay, but we moved the $158 to make up for the $315. $4 is automatically going to come out on its own. $60 I will go online and pay that. And you guys, I did go ahead and consolidate my loans for student loan. And I'm waiting to hear back. Someone did email me, say they're working on it in order for me to get it under like a federal loan and be able to not pay it and without the interest because mine was not set up like that. House emergency fund, we did go ahead and move. We don't have any other bills that are due around by the 23rd. And then we have cash envelopes. We're figuring that out. $389 was moved. $50 will be automatic. Okay, so what do we have left? It says we have $264 left. So y'all know that immediately $200 is minimum going into the house if we can. I want to put an extra $20 into my cash envelopes because I want to pick up. When I bought the toiletries last month, I did pick up like one of each. This time I want to kind of pick up two of each. I'm a type of person, I'm a mother's child, where she has like multiples of everything, just chilling. And when it comes to things like lotion, body wash, things like that, is never a bad idea to have more than one. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like the idea of just having one as backup. So I'm going to pick up probably another one or two. And Kroger is having a really good sale on like Dove products and stuff like that. They're having a sale on Dove products, and they're having a sale on like the Unilever brand, which funny enough in Fetch, they're also having it so corresponded so well that most of Unilever products, that Unilever brand products that are in Kroger are on sale, like with dollar off coupons, the already sale price. And in the Fetch app, they're having get 5,000 points if you spend $15 on these products. So it almost worked out perfectly. So I was like, well, why not just buy myself my backup stuff now and also get 5,000 points in Fetch? If you don't join Fetch, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all every video, please go ahead and join some Fetch. The Fetch app is free, 99. It's free for me. And then you go ahead and all you do is scan receipts and incorporate everybody else, because everybody's been giving me my receipts, especially during Frugalish February where I ain't really spending any money. And then yeah, the code, if you want a code, you'll get points for using my code, and also get some points for using my code. So shout out to you, but my code is down in the description box if you do decide to do Fetch. Moving right along, sidebar, Tara Much. Okay, so we're going to do 200 here, and I think I'm going to take the extra 120 because we have it. We have $64. So what I'm going to do is put 120, then I'm going to take off for cash envelopes and put the extra 20 in toiletries so I can catch up with the other stuff. Then I have, whoa. Oh, maybe I don't. Oh, I didn't put that in yet. Jesus, hold on. We don't have that. I didn't put that in yet. I should have put that in first. So undo your life. 0, 0. Let's really figure it out. I want to do 120 here. I have only 144 to go into the house. Oh, Jesus loves me, this I know. I don't like it. There's always one week. It's always either the second or the third week where I can't get $200 to put into the flim flamming house. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna go with we're gonna put 120 into the house. We're already ahead anyway. It's fine. And then we're gonna put $24 as the buffer. Yeah. So now we're at 0. So we have 124 in the buffer, and I'm just going to leave that as pink. So remember, and I'm going to go ahead and move our 120 for the house. Aggie, it's that house bill, y'all. It's too much money. Well, what are you going to do? You got to pay something, right? It could be whole rent I'm paying, so I'm definitely not complaining. To my humble home, I think even with the 120, is it 120 we're moving? To the house? Yeah, 120. We should be able to hit our mark. Yeah, baby. 120. My humble home, one time. House, savings, transfer, success. Yes. All right. So 573 even is what we have right here. Let's see what we actually have. So 120 was moved. Okay, so let's add up all our stuff and hope everything in pink should give us a total of $573. And that's how we're going to know that we have the right amount that removed everything we needed to move. 315 plus 4 plus 60 plus 25. No, not 25. Backside. Sorry, 315 plus 4 plus 60 plus 50 plus 24. Ma'am, something's right. Something's not right. 315 plus 4 plus 60. Stop it. 315 plus 4 plus 60 plus 50 plus 24. Or 53. Interesting. Did I miss something? Y'all, what did I do? I hate when I do something wrong. Then I gotta be thinking. Just make sure this plus this is 731.18. This total is, let me see what all of these are. I'm just making sure all my formulas are actually adding up. 731.18, yeah. Weird. What did I do wrong? Okay, hold on. I'm not going to let y'all sit and watch me just ponder. I'll figure it out and come back. As soon as I put y'all on pause, I realized it. But, Tara, you got to add in the daggone money you didn't pick up yet from the bastard freaking ATM for your cash envelopes. That's what? Okay. 315 plus 4 plus 60 plus 120 for the cash envelope plus 50 plus 24. 573. How many of y'all was sitting there screaming at the screen talking about Tara, it's $120? is $120. I don't know. It's early, okay? So 573, we are good. And let's just go ahead and do our last thing, which is our humble home. So we added 120. So on the sheet, we need to add 120 for the date of 2/16/2021. 120, and that's February. Check number 3. Boom. And we are at $8,035.73. Yes, yes. Where the money resides. Where the money resides. Where the money resides. And that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb, okay? So we have hit a milestone. Let's go find it somewhere over here. Where you at? Milestones, listen, Linda. Okay. So milestone 8,000, where are you at? Over here. $8,000. If we were saving $20,000, we'd be at our second milestone, and I count all the milestones, okay? We're gonna make you green. And of course, I didn't pick the right green. I never picked the right color, never. But there it is. $8,000. We over $8,000. $8,000. I'm sorry. I'm a little excited. Y'all, we're excited, okay? We are excited. So we only have to hit the $12,000 goal. We only have $3,000, less than $4,000 to go. All right, so our thing is updated and our February budget is down to 0. We're done, and we're done. When we come back, we'll do the closeout next week and make sure everything cleared and we're good to go. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the shenanigans today. It's we had the little issues, but we were on a little bit of a struggle bus, so we figured it out. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. Faith over fear this year, y'all. Forever, ever. Have a wonderful, blessed day.